Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace resume on Ziprecruiter. It's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter, not employer account, but your Ziprecruiter job seeker account, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's go to hop into today's text, which is how to replace your resume on Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you're going to find the three dots menu in here. So click on that, and you have this extended menu that says Profile, Resume, Job Alert, Notification, Account Settings, Mobile App, Blog Support, and Sign Up. Go ahead and click on Resume. It's going to take you to my profile window. Now, and I'm going to click X. Thank you. So for you to replace this resume, scroll the way down from this page. You have all these categories: work experience, and you have the education, and you have resume. So I have already added a resume. So if I want to replace this resume, all I just need to do is to click on this edit button. So you see this edit and you see delete hyperlink. So go ahead and click on edit that says upload a resume. Uploading a new resume will replace your existing profile and content. Are you sure you want to continue? So go ahead and click on yes, upload, and it's going to take you to your system folder where you can now select the new resume that you want to add. Now, click on open, and it's definitely going to upload. I'm going to skip this entry because I don't know other work experience, but if you want to, then you can. Cancel X. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can replace your resume. So this way, my new resume has been added, as you can see. So this is how you can replace a resume on Ziprecruiter. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.